Here's a certified 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLE. This GLE is reassuring when the weather turns and rewarding when the road turns. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual-zone climate control, automatic parking sensors, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, power tilting steering column, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and intercooled turbo i6 engine. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,